Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you everything I picked up at the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo. If you haven't already, make sure you check out my last video where I give you a full tour of the expo. So first up, everyone got this tote bag for free with their admission ticket, and let me tell you, this thing put in work carrying all my finds. Next, from the BeeCreative booth, I grabbed 2 Easy Runner refills and 2 bottles of Nuvo glue. They had a buy 3 get 1 free deal, mix and match, so of course I had to take advantage of that. Then from Brass and Bliss, I picked up something I'm honestly mad I didn't buy sooner. It's the Precision Glue Press by My Sweet Petunia. If you're a paper crafter, you know your hands start to hurt after squeezing glue bottles all day. This solves the problem. It squeezes out your glue effortlessly, and it comes with an empty bottle so you can fill it with any glue brand that you like. Here's a quick demo. You can see it has a fine tip, and the best part is you can store it just like this in your craft room and it won't dry out. Next up, creative memories. I finally got the paper trimmer. And yes, I know we probably all own a paper trimmer or two, but this one is an absolute dream. I got the bundle that comes with 11 different decorative blades, all of which store underneath the trimmer. It also has a pull-out arm, and switching the blades is super easy. I love that all the blades are labeled clearly so you can see all the decorative cuts that you can make. And they hooked me up with all these freebies: an inspiration pack, card sleeve holders, a 52 scrapbook challenge card pack, a pack of cutouts, this festive ornament punch, and a flexible ruler. From Tall Mouse Creative Arts, I got a cute tote bag with my purchase. I also picked up 2 adorable cutting dies, a pink tool holder for my weeding tools, a tiny little craft mat. I mean, how could I not? It was just too cute. And one of my favorite finds, Mickey keyrings and keys that are actually bottle openers. They also gave me a super cute button for my growing collection. A lot of booths had make and take stations too, where you can make a project for a few dollars. I made this card at the Creative Memories booth and got a I Created button. Then I took the Fabulous Finds workshop, and we all got this black tote for free. Inside, it has a simple story scrapbook kit, a red flipbook, a plastic organizer full of project materials, a summer scrapbook layout, a Christmas card kit. We actually made one of the cards during class, and another cute card kit that I still need to finish, and a ton of outline stickers I'm excited to use. They also gave us these cute buttons. At the end of the workshop, they told us we could use our ticket for $10 off at the ScrapThat or Crazy Creations booth. So I used mine to get a $50 mystery bag, and with the $10 off, I paid $40 for over $150 worth of stuff retail value. I hadn't opened it yet, so we opened it together. I'm not naming everything because it was a lot, but what do you think? Was it worth it? Next up from Photoplay, I grabbed Christmas cutouts, a folio, and the 4 for $24 scrapbook kits. And they gave me this stencil for free. Also from ScrapThat, I picked up some gorgeous scrapbook sheets. From Echo Park, I got a back to school scrapbook kit and pocket pages for all my photos. And last but not least, here's an overview of all the buttons I collected throughout the expo. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next one.